So hey guys, in this video I'll tell you how you can use WhatsApp's new read voice messages with transcript feature. So friends, to enable this feature, first of all open your WhatsApp application and then tap on three dot icon which is available in the top right side. Tap on this option guys, and here tap on last settings option and then tap on chats option guys. And friends, here you will get to see a new option of voice message transcripts. So simply tap and enable this option. So guys, by using this feature you can simply transcript your voice messages into text format. So guys, first of all tap on choose language option, and guys here select the language in which most voice messages that you receive. So I will select English and tap on setup now option, and guys then back here. And friends, if you want to use this feature, so first of all, for example friends, you can use this feature on all the voice messages that you receive or which you send to your friend. So for example friends, if you want to use this feature, so simply tap on the particular sound in which you want to transcript into text format. After tapping, tap on three dot option which is available in the top right side guys, and then tap on transcript option. So guys, as you tap on transcript option, the particular voice message will be transcribed into text format. Or guys, if you are traveling, then this feature is very useful because guys, without listening the particular voice message, you can see the text format of that message. Or guys, if you have any questions, please comment on this video. Must like and subscribe channel to get more interesting and latest videos on social media.